Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Iconic Lifestyle. A brand new video coming up on your screen. If you've not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe it right away so that you don't miss out of any notification. Today I'm opening up this Nykaa box of happiness, which I call. Let's see, it's a brand new edition and what I've ordered for myself. So let's go ahead and unwrap this first wrapper, which is nothing but a Streets hair serum that I can see in my hand. You can see its price and expiration. A very important thing here, make sure you always check the expiration for your products, whether you order it through Nykaa or any other portals for yourself. It is very important. Let's try and see what's in the second wrapper. Okay, I see 3 items. So the first one is Love Child Masaba 4-in-1 foundation. It's quite a hype that I've been hearing it. I'm gonna give it a try as well and post a review after using it. So it's cruelty free, paraben free, and you can see the price and expiration coming up on your screen as well. Okay, and this is Lonely Lioness, which I ordered. That's the name of the foundation. Let's open up and see how it looks like. This is without the brush that I ordered because I already have brushes, so probably it should have a nozzle. Yeah, I'm correct about it. It has a nozzle, so convenient for the usage as well. Let's see the second what I have in my hand. So this is nothing but a plum freebie that I got with my Nykaa order. I'm gonna open it up and see what I have in this freebie from Plum. Seems to be pretty attractive, compact packaging. Okay, what I have here, it's a sunscreen that I have from Plum. Quite travel friendly, I would say. And the second one I have is a little body lotion. Nice. So here are we done with the freebie. Now let's see. I've ordered the blemish balm, and this is by Swiss Beauty. Again, something I've been seeing a lot of people putting in reviews. I wanted to see how is it, and it's 03 number that I've ordered. It's again a small compact packaging and with a nozzle, of course. Let's go ahead and see what we have in another packaging. Here we go. It's a Plum moisturizer that I have ordered, saffron and kumkumadi oil. I haven't really used it, but again, I wanted to give it a try. You can see the expiration and the price turning up on your screen. I'm gonna open it and see how the packaging and how the cream looks like. The packaging looks superb, so let's see what it looks like from inside. Nice. This is how it looks like from inside, the creamy moisturizer. Even if you forget about the expiration and the rate, you can always see at the bottom of your product, it's always mentioned, even if you throw the cartridge away. So you can see in my hand another wrapper that I'm opening up. It's again a Plum foam-based face wash. People who have acne issues or any breakouts, it's a great it's a great face wash that you can use for yourself. Pretty sleeky and a good one. I've been using Plum products, pretty efficient, and it absolutely works good on your screen. This is another moisturizer that I've ordered from Plum. It's a green tea one. It's a night gel, and it's a very small one, the small amount that I've ordered. The packaging is of course great. Let me show you what we have inside as well. And it's pretty light and gel based, so you will not feel that stickiness on your skin. Last but not the least, I have ordered a naturally shampoo that you can see on your screen. So these are the products I've ordered through Nykaa this time. I will be using them and posting reviews for it, which might be helpful to few of you. Do let me know what are your comments. Thank you so much for watching.